How to quickly turn your photo into black and white using Pixelmator Pro. First, load your image. Next, head to the top menu, select Format, and search for Color Adjustments. On this list, you will see a black and white option. Click on it. And now on the right side of your interface, you will have this panel that gives you a control. As you can see, the black and white option is turned on. We can turn it off and on again. And there are some options here for us. We got 5 sliders. So we got reds, so red color, how we turn red colors into grays, green, blue, overall tone, and how intense this will be. If you reduce this, you will see a bit of original color below. So if you want black and white, it needs to be kept as 100%. All right, so that's how you can do it. Keep in mind, you can mix this with other color adjustment. So you can use levels or curves and use that to adjust some contrasts as well. I hope this short tutorial was helpful, and I will see you in the next video.